Hey guys, welcome back to Code Hero, and today I'll be showing you, as I promised in my previous video, the link is in description. I'll be showing you the how to install the compilers for different programming languages. So let me just tell you, the compilers that I'll be covering up will be for the languages HTML, Java and C++. So there are more languages, but I will make videos on their compilers later. But first let's just cover these languages up. So for C and C++, you have dev C++. I think you can access C hash on it too. I'm not sure. And then we have uh, for HTML you can use Notepad++, and for Java you can use BlueJ. So here I'll only be showing you how to install them, and in the next video I'll write a simple program, and I'll show you how to compile it and run it. So now let me just show it to you how to install. So first let's install dev C++. So I installed from sourceforge.net. You can also install it from there because it worked for me. So it's a 48 MB download and it installs in almost 2 to 3 minutes for me. Our next download is for Notepad++. So now Notepad++ is for HTML. HTML can even be run on command prompt, but we'll use Notepad++ on it for it, because so you can even use Notepad, but Notepad++ is better because it gets integrated according to the language you want to use. So let me just show you how. So you can just go to file and click new. You have a new document. Now just go to language and select the language you want to write, HTML. Now it will be integrated according to HTML language, right? So now you can just write all your HTML code, and that later you can compile it. Then our next is Notepad++. So Notepad++ has its official site. You can go here. This is the latest release, 7.8.5. You can install it. It's a 3.6 MB download. It's really small. Our next compiler is for Java. It's called BlueJ. So I'll just type BlueJ compiler. So the BlueJ compiler is a really so this is a really big download, and so the latest version is 4.2.2. You can get 4.1.4 if you have a 32-bit PC, or if you have a 64-bit PC you can get the latest release. So this is for Windows, and you can also get it for Mac OS X or Ubuntu and Debian, and others need to install a Java platform. So this one is for Windows, so I'll just select it. So it's a 232 MB download. It's a really huge download. You'll have to wait for some time. So this is how you can install your compilers, and you can use them for your languages. So that's all for today. My next video will be featuring how to use each of these compilers and how to compile a simple program on them. Until then, see you.